that time again. It's that time again. What time is it? It's time for your girl, Denise the Sloth Sewist, to tell you all about the current pattern sale that is happening. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Denise the Sloth Sewist. It's your girl, Denise. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. If this is your first time clicking on my video, I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel if you like any and everything about sewing, from hauls. I'm talking about your thrift hauls, your pattern hauls, your fabric hauls, me-made reveals, behind the scenes, and any and everything about sewing. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any sewing content. In addition, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're interested in knowing about the pattern and fabric sales that are happening. If I can get the information out to you all in time, your girl will go ahead and let y'all all know here on my channel. All right, welcome new subscribers to my channel. I'm so glad that you all decided to join the channel. Thank you all so much in advance for liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing, and returning once again to watch another video with your girl, Denise the Sloth Sewist. Well, I'm walking on the homestead today, everybody, enjoying this beautiful weather here in South Carolina. Yes, I am. Just walking throughout the homestead, but I wanted to go ahead and share with you all this current pattern sale that is happening now. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. I will share with you all the current pattern sale that is happening now. I will share the location, the sales dates, what patterns are on sale, and their prices. Let's get into it. Location, simplicity.com. Sales dates happening now through Tuesday, March 10th, 2026. You have until 11:59 p.m. EST time to get in on this pattern sale. What's on sale? Well, several patterns are on sale this week. Let's get into it. New look patterns are $3.99 each. Simplicity, Butterick, Know Me are $5.99 each. And Vogue patterns are $9.99 each. Everyone, so go ahead and get your Simplicity, your New Look, your Butterick, your Know Me, and your Vogue wish list together, and head on over to simplicity.com to get those patterns you probably have been waiting for. All right, everyone, am I participating? No. I gotta start sewing the pile of the stash of patterns that I have purchased from 2025 that I will be sharing with you all throughout the rest of this week and next week, so y'all stay tuned for that pattern haul. In addition, I'll be sharing with you all my 70% off pattern sale that happened during Valentine's Day, when hubby was like, Cupid shot him in the butt, and he told me to head on over to simplicity.com and get in on those 70% patterns sale. All right, everyone, my motto is keep trying until you get it right. Denise the Sloth Sewist. Hope that you like this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave your girl a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and share so others can get in on my sewing content as well. Thank y'all in advance. Have an amazing day, night, weekend, whatever time you may be watching my video. Stay safe. Enjoy the beautiful weather if you have it in your area. Your girl, Denise the Sloth Sewist, will see you all on the next one. A pattern haul, y'all, coming your way. Bye-bye.